Greetings, amphibian enthusiasts. Today we're venturing into the captivating world of the Kurdistan Spotted Newt, a remarkable new species native to the mountainous regions of Kurdistan. Known for its vibrant coloration and unique breeding habits, this newt has become a sought-after species among herpetology enthusiasts. The Kurdistan Spotted Newt is recognized for its stunning orange and black spotted pattern, making it a jewel of the world of amphibians. This new species showcases a vibrant color palette featuring a striking contrast of orange and black spots along its body, with a slender build and a slightly flattened appearance. The Kurdistan Spotted Newt is a visual delight. During the breeding season, males display vibrant colors and engage in intricate courtship rituals, adding to their captivating features. To thrive, the Kurdistan Spotted Newts require well-constructed aquatic setups with clean water, hiding spots, and suitable temperatures. Simulating their natural mountainous habitat is crucial for their well-being. Due to their specialized needs, enthusiasts with experience in keeping amphibians are best suited for caring for these stunning newts. Consider incorporating live aquatic plants and natural substrates into the newt's enclosure. This not only enhances the aesthetics of their natural habitat, but also provides opportunities for natural behaviors such as burrowing and exploration. Primarily kept for their stunning appearance and unique breeding behaviors, the Kurdistan Spotted Newts are treasured additions to amphibian collections. Their presence in captivity offers enthusiasts the opportunity to observe and appreciate the behavior of their extraordinary species. Its vibrant coloration, unique breeding habits, and specialized care requirements make it a cherished choice among enthusiasts. If you found this exploration intriguing, remember to give us a thumbs up, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of animals. Until next time, may your amphibian adventures be filled with wonder, and may the Kurdistan Spotted Newt bring a touch of vibrant beauty to your collection. Farewell and happy herping.